We getting closer to a price value for LKCO. As I told you here in this video, I told you guys we gonna see a big drop if we just go from our line here, and this is really important. The moment we actually broke from this trend descending line, I told you guys we're gonna see the price to go at $1.10, and we actually really close. We actually today we went to even $1.14. We got buying pressure a bit, but still guys, this is a big warning sign. The moment we actually broke from our line here at transcending line, then we broke the support at $1.26. so where we gonna go, the exact price value that I will buy for LKCO, and you should actually be watch out if you want to average down or you want to buy at this level. This is a really perfect price for LKCO, and as always I told you guys, there's always next opportunity, so never feel FOMO or panic. And before we go to the video and see the right price to buy at and to average down, or the warning sign that we're gonna see for LKCO, please like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with Trading Jesus. Always told you guys, no panic, no FOMO, no bias at my channels. Only straight to information, only raw information, without any BS, without any editing. So let's go right into it. So guys, as I told you in this video, this is crazy guys. Here on this 7th of April, I told you guys this is a pre-market. I actually did it a pre-market, and yesterday actually at pre-market, and I told you guys the price they will go around $1.10, and the price is actually went as we expected. Yesterday here we closed around $1.22. Yes, exactly. And now we went even to $1.15. And I told you here, as my drawing, there's a big chance that we go see $1.10. If we don't see the hold up guys, this is a really big warning sign. I will be really ready if I saw this level. If we actually just go to $1.09, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the other level. I told you this is a big warning sign. But before we actually see this the other price that we might go to, let's see the upside just in case. For now we're still holding here. We see a bit buying pressure, but guess what, we have our actually exponential moving average coiled down. So let me draw it because it doesn't is not showing up in real time. So I just show you guys. This is a really bad, because if we have the exponential moving average actually coil at least here, I will say maybe the price will go again to test the $1.25. But now the scenario actually is the opposite. The exponential moving average went through our resistance level at $1.26, and that's what it tells you, that the price here will go even lower. Our resistance level is lowered from $1.26, now is lower because the exponential moving average is actually coiled down here and going below. And by tomorrow even the price the exponential moving average will be here. So the resistance level for us will be here, and we actually touch it, then we actually go again to $1.10. So the other scenario I told you about guys, if we actually break this to touch the $1.26, and this time we actually have a closing candle here, this is still a chance to happen. But the big scenario I can see, even with the SMI indicator, the volume indicator, we actually see a big drop in volume. Actually, as we see, we have our breakout. Look with me guys, our SMI almost break from the zero level to actually from the negative level. We actually went to 0 to positive. If we just bounce, as I told you in the previous video, above this level, above the $1.35, and we test the exponential moving average and we break from it, with the sign of our SMI will go above the zero, this will be a big turning point for LKCO, and we see even the $2. But what happened? That's the other scenario that happened. I told you guys always have the probability for everything. So that's what the scenario. I told you if we just see a candle here, boom, we got a break even to $1.10, and now we actually have the volume getting lower, and we actually get here on this SMI we got a rejection and we got below the zero, and now we actually trading below the negative actually, and this is indicator for slowing in volume, or we have less volume buying pressure. That's what the indicator that show us the buying pressure and the selling pressure. So we have a lot of selling pressure. That's why our SMI indicator actually turned to negative. And now, as I told you guys, we need the other scenario, break from our exponential moving average first. This is a good sign without a wick but a full candle. Then we have a test for the $1.26. We're gonna see a rejection here, but if we got above without a wick and full candle, this is a really good sign. But the high probable scenario, as I told you, even though we're gonna see a candle to test again here around the $1.22 to get rejected at the exponential moving average, we might even not go there, but this is a scenario that we actually maybe we touch this level to go back again to $1.11. So at this level, guys, I will be really extra careful, because if we just go even below the $1.08, there's a big indication that we go to 0.85 below the $1. Be careful, guys. This is really important to actually watch out for, because now we just have a bit of resistance around here. Look with me. If we got rejected, as I told you, from the exponential moving average, wait a second here, let me clear this. If we got rejection even from our $1.20, this is a big picture. If we got actually a rejection from here and we go test here at this level exactly, guys, here where we're gonna see our exponential moving average, if we don't see a buying back around this area, guys, here we don't see a buying back pressure here at $1.09, $1.10, big sign. If we just go below even $1.06, big chance that we're gonna see big jump down to 0.85, and this level I will buy my shares here. And if you actually want to average down, this is the perfect price to average down actually for LKCO at the moment, and we should hold for this level, because really important level. We don't need to go back and below the 0.85, because this is a big warning sign for LKCO. If we just go to 0.70, guys, we don't need it. We need, even if we just hold above the 0.85, there's a big chance that we actually go to a higher level again. We bounce from this level, so be careful, guys. First, we need to hold up at this level. This is a big recap for what we actually learned here. We might get rejection and we go at $1.09, $1.10. We see a hold up. This is good. We don't see a hold up even we go to 0.06. We're gonna see a big rejection, and we're gonna bounce from the 0.85, and we should hold this level. Really important. I will put even my stop loss about 0.82, because if we go below it, I will just buy back at 0.70, and I will wait and still see the market. If the consolidation about 0.70, I will buy, but this is the most important level I will buy at, and I will have a protective stop limit around below the my buying at 0.85 to protect myself, because this is the perfect price for LKCO at the moment. If we actually don't hold the $1.10, this is really important, guys, really important. And as always told you guys, always have the probability that you actually you buy something, but you actually have a stop loss to actually protect yourself if you want to buy more in the lower prices. So if you have a lot of money, by all means just hold and average down, you see. But a lot of people, they can't actually buy every time. So the best scenario you actually can do, you actually never buy everything at the same moment. You chunk your trade or your investment to 20%. You never actually buy all of it, because the incentive a lot of people have, like, okay, I will miss this big jump, so I will put everything so I have more my money, more on my money. So this is okay, high risk, high reward, but is not good in the long run. If you want to do it every time, the probability that will go against you. So always have a strategy. If you don't have money, chunk your trade, put 20% in every, like I told you here, at $1.10 you buy. If it go back even to 0.85, you buy here. But you don't buy every time. Like a lot of people just like Reddit style, they said just average down and buy down like at any price. If you just buy, let's calculate it, if you buy at $1.10, then you buy at $1.05, and your average will be really bad, you see. And you need a lot of money to average down every time. But I'm talking about reasonable calculated risk. So you just average down twice, not 5 times, but exactly you hunt for the right price, and your average will be really good. You always like, even the market go really down, you still have a really perfect average. And if when the market go up, you never actually be like at $2 or $3 and you wait for price to come to you, but you always be ready to hunt the exact price, like I told you guys, at $1.10 or 0.85, or this kind of strategy is really work and is more safe. So don't put all your money in one basket, just chunk it if you don't have money. Or the other scenario you can do, actually, as I told you here in the previous video, as I told you, if we just break from this line I told you, you're gonna sell and you just buy all of it here again at $1.10, or chunk it 50% here and 50% here, and you have more for your money. So because you sell here, you sell here, so you have you actually save yourself the loss of 10% or 15%, and you bought back at the right price. So you have a lot of strategy you can do. Even you don't have a lot of money, you can actually save money. At the same time, you gain more by doing this. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with the Trading Jesus. As always tell you guys, no panic, no be patient, and hunt for the right price value, and there's no regret. Always there's a next opportunity. Always put this in your mind. It's like everything in life, there is an opportunity. Be patient, take a breath, and you never actually say I missed any opportunity, because there's a next opportunity in the corner if you're ready for it and you hunt it. So guys, as I told you, always like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update. And until next time, Trading Jesus tell you, be patient and hunt for the right price value. See you guys.